Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm so excited to share some amazing winter decor ideas to turn your home into a cozy, festive retreat. Whether you are all about that warm, rustic vibe or you love elegant modern touches, I have got something for everyone. If you are ready to make your home feel like a winter wonderland, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more deco inspiration and ideas. Also ring the bell so you never miss out on our future uploads. You want as we roll into the holiday season. Let's get started.